Okay guys, so this is a little information on Windows 7 and the basic use of it, okay? First, I just want to go over a couple of terms. When you're using your mouse, remember that what you normally do is left click, okay? That means it's the button on the left side of the mouse. When you want to do something special, that's right click, okay? So usually you left click with your index finger and right click with your middle finger, depends on how you move the mouse, alright? Also, double click would be to click twice in the normal fashion, or click twice with your left finger, like so. Okay, you might hear a small little activity there. So let's just go over what some of the parts of this desktop are. Okay, right now this is the start button. You can see it right here, and you see how when you hover over things, menu pops up. Okay, here we have the recycle bin that contains files you've deleted. All right. This background is the wallpaper. You can see my background. My wallpaper is very plain, just black. Okay. Then here at the bottom, we have the taskbar. Okay, this gray bar. And right now you can see I have a lot of open programs. All right. And they're all shown there, and I can click up, hover over one, and a display pops up. I can pick which one of those I might want to open back up. Okay. Of the things I have pinned to the taskbar, I really only have these first three icons pinned to the taskbar. If I close these other ones, they won't appear there. Alright. This is your notification area. So you can see that's where your speaker is. There you can see I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm plugged in. Alright, here's my calendar and clock. Alright, and this little button is the show desktop. So if I have a lot of windows open, let's open some things up here. Like that. Just get one more open. Okay, and now let's say, oh, I want to open a folder or check it to see if I've saved something to the desktop. If I just click this button quickly, you see they all minimize. Alright, minimize is a word that means they make themselves small, they disappear. Alright, so I hope that helps. Let's talk about what this is. This is a shortcut, meaning that it will take me directly to a program. If I double click one of these, it will open automatically. You can see here I have a shortcut to a photo I have on somewhere else on my computer. So if I double click it, it opens, and there's my picture. Alright, let's just go over a few features here that are on every file. Sorry, I need to drag that out of the way. First, let's talk about what I just did. This is just how I'm recording what's happening on my screen. But if I go to the top bar, click and hold, I didn't release, I can drag this around and reposition it wherever I would like to. Alright, so this button, the X, that would close. See, when we hover over, this would be the minimize button. And you see if we hover in the right place, we get some information. Okay, and this would be restore down. Alright, so when I click that, it makes it smaller. I can now come out to the corners and drag and make it smaller and bigger. Windows 7 is also nice because I can drag it up to the top and see how it's going. It should make it big now when I drag it up to the top. So, alright. Okay, now if I want to close out of this, I can just go to the X and it closes right away. Alright, I hope that helped, and we'll keep covering some other topics in just a few minutes.